Hi, I'm Jack from legalexpert.co.uk. Now, before I answer the question, I just wanted to let you know that should you need legal assistance, we are personal injury claims specialists. We offer free, friendly advice on no-win, no-fee claims, so there's nothing to pay if you lose. Get the maximum compensation you deserve. We have specialist solicitors with up to 30 years experience. To find out if you can claim compensation, call 0800 652 7676 or visit our live chat service at legalexpert.co.uk. It is a common misconception that a fall due to defective or improper pavements is simply an accident with nobody to blame. This is not always the case. In most circumstances, the responsibility to keep the pavement in good repair falls upon a third party, such as a local council or private company. Today, I'm going to be looking at how to claim compensation for a fall due to a defect in the pavement. Following your accident, if you wish to pursue a claim for compensation, one of the first things that we recommend you do is seek expert legal advice from a personal injury claims specialist like legalexpert.co.uk. We offer a free, no obligation consultation session where we'll help you establish what your best course of action is in order to ensure that you're able to receive what you're entitled to, assisting you in your recovery. Following an accident of this nature, it can sometimes be unpleasant having to relive the experience. With a number of people, worrying recounting the accident to a solicitor may be upsetting, but you should rest assured that here at legalexpert.co.uk, we have years of experience in dealing with these types of claims, and we do our utmost to ensure that our consultation with you is as stress-free as we can make it. You can speak to one of our team straight away by calling 0800 652 7676 or by using our live chat service at legalexpert.co.uk. When you reach out to us, you should be prepared to answer the following questions. Where, when and how was the accident caused, and why did the accident occur? What happened leading up to the accident and afterward? Were you alone? Were there any witnesses? Do you feel you are at all responsible for the accident occurring? Did the council or landowner do anything / fail to do anything which may have been a contributing factor to the accident? What is the extent of the injuries that were caused by the accident? Has your work or income suffered because you've been restricted by the injuries caused by the accident? Has anybody else had to care for you? Are you experiencing any long-term health problems because of the severity of your injuries? One of the most important factors in establishing whether or not there is a valid claim is whether or not the defect is classified as actionable. What this means is that the defect is of a sufficient severity to warrant action being taken by the people responsible for it. As such, we will often ask you to return to the accident site to take photographs and/or measurements of the defect in question. Once we have all of the necessary information from you, we will advise you on what we believe your next best step is. And if we believe that we can assist you in your claim, we may offer to represent you on a no-win, no-fee basis. This means that there's nothing to pay if you lose and absolutely no upfront fees to pay. And thanks to a change in the law in 2013, solicitors aren't able to charge you any more than 25% of the compensation total, meaning that not only will you not be out of pocket, but you'll also receive the majority of your award. Of course, the circumstances of each accident are never the same. And whether or not you believe that you have a valid claim, it's always advisable that you speak to an expert on the matter. So, if you'd like further assistance to help establish whether or not you have a valid claim, we have a team over at legalexpert.co.uk offering free advice via our live chat and on our free phone helpline, which is 0800 652 7676. It'll only take just a couple of minutes for our team, who'll be happy to answer any questions you may have to help establish whether or not you have a valid claim. Don't forget to subscribe, as we'll be uploading helpful videos just like this one on a regular basis. You can also check out one of our recommended videos or head over to legalexpert.co.uk where you can read community questions on our forum, get free advice from our live chat, read articles and seek assistance for compensation on a no-win, no-fee basis with your personal injury claim.